Hi guys, welcome back to Stu TV. I'm Stuti, and the angle of the camera is not great, I guess. This is fine. Okay. So today, Saturday morning, nice and bright, feels like -4, but then it's great. And Toronto has moved in from stay at home to gray zone, which means a lot of retail stores have opened up. And I guess it's time for us to, buy a few furniture, which was pending since long. The look and feel matters. So that's how we decided, when everything opens up, we get the look and feel, the touch and size and everything. And that's how we'll order. So yeah, we are heading to IKEA right now. Let's hope that there is not a long queue because it's a weekend and I'm assuming there will be. So let's see. I will be taking you guys along. So stay tuned. Watch this video till the very end. Yeah, let's have some fun. We are gonna take a long time. Long. And after roaming so much, when you get tired, you see this. So in case you want to do measurements, you get these paper inch tapes, which you can use it for the measurement. I mean, I will suggest that whenever you are purchasing any furniture, for the area that you want to fill in that particular furniture, measure the area, as in what is the size of that area, so that you know the kind of or the size of the furniture you're looking for. It becomes a lot easier for you, right?
Absolutely.
Good thing is we've selected the products. We are in the inventory section where you have to stock up your own goods, keeping in mind the aisle and the bin number for each product. So ensure you capture that very accurately in case you miss out. There are screens where you can search, but it's better when you like a product, you take a picture of that, and it's not easy to take these huge boxes and carry them. This is one of the products that we've taken, which my dear husband is carrying, and just look at this, guys. It's huge. Oh god, I'm so tired. These are so heavy. Oh, my hand. They're really very heavy, Check these out. And we have to make these. Oh. Quick update, we are done and we're getting it delivered. How does it feel, Amrut, picking up such heavy stuff?
Well, today's okay.
The day when we are making this is the D-Day for us.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's gonna take hours and hours.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the thing with IKEA. You get some real good stuff and there's crowd and more crowd
Absolutely.
all the time.
Good thing we got our work done. So
Yeah, we got a lot of work done. Half of it is done. Main work is setting them up, which is gonna take a lot of time and effort. But yeah, we'll do it. It's a good thing, you know. Canada teaches you everything.
yeah,
So yeah,
that is true.
it's gonna be fine. Feels so good to be without the mask.
Oh yeah, absolutely. It
Yeah,
was at least 3 hours,
at
4 hours.
minimum
with
we
the
were
mask
there.
on
Yeah.
inside the showroom.
Yeah. Anyway, so one important two tip that I wish to give you guys for the ones who will be purchasing some like heavy furniture, you know, bed frames and stuff. It's important that when you guys are collecting the boxes from the you know, the go down section, where the inventories are kept, try the barcode where they have the sticker, you know, the barcode sticker on top. It becomes easier for the people, you know, at the POS point of sale section to you know, scan the product. We faced kind of a lot of trouble with that. I mean, the guy was literally doing yoga and exercise to, you know, just take a, you know, scan the QR code. So try keeping that in mind. It will save a lot of time for you guys. Okay, so now we are heading back. Sorry for the traffic. I don't know if you guys can hear me. I'm trying to speak as loudly as possible. And we are hungry. At least I am very hungry. Are you?
Oh yeah, I am very. And I need something special, okay?
What do you need?
You know what I need.
Pizza we are not having.
Oh come on.
Not today. Anyway, we'll see. But yeah, we are heading home now.
You know the definition of we'll see? I need you guys to put it down in the comment box because I know the definition very well now.
There are hardly any subscribers, guys. Please subscribe to my channel so that you guys come to know what does we'll see mean. You know, we'll see. Dekhte hain, you know.
Yeah, you say it in any and every way. You know, the definition is so pure and so real. You know, every
Anyway.
husband's life.
Oh. Anyway, so I'll catch you guys soon. It's getting cold, so we have to rush. Bye. So guys, I guess we'll take some time to reach home, and it's better if I end the vlog here. I hope you guys liked the video. If you guys did, please like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. Please be a part of the family. Hit that bell icon. I shall see you guys very soon. Until next time, stay fabulous.